Just got the new Raise3D E2 3D printer and finished up some calibrating. Took about 2 hours, longer than I expected, but everything seems to be working okay. The first test print, you can see here, failed. The nozzle was too high up in the air. And here we have our first print that will probably work. It's just a test print. It came loaded onto the machine. Can't believe how quiet it is. And so far, so good. Except for the calibration process. Took a little bit of time, but it was all pretty straightforward. The prompts and the wizard on the machine are actually pretty well organized, and it's the best one I've seen so far of any machine I've used. But we'll see how this comes out. And the main reason I got this was just to have a bigger print bed, print volume, because I want to do some bigger things these days.